Hello, welcome to US Mix YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji. About the forts, the first is Purandar Fort. The history of Purandar Fort. This is the picture of this Purandar Fort. Purandar Fort. The history of Purandar Fort goes back into 13th century. It was fortified by the first Mohammadi king Hassan Gangu in the year 1350. 1350 in the year of 1350, one of the highest fort in Maharashtra. It has two levels. The upper of the Ballikilla was with precipitous side all around. The lower part of Machi about 300 meters in relatively plain. This is the picture of this Purandar Fort. In 1596 AD, the fort was given as Jagir of Maloji Bhosale, grandfather of Shivaji. In 1646 AD, Shivaji established control in the fort. So this is the one fort of Shivaji, Purandar Fort. And next fort is Sindhudurg Fort. One of the finest sea fort in the country was the powerful naval base for the Maratha kingdom. The fort house Shivaji's only temple and his footprints. The fort was a secured base for naval ships and was constructed in 1664 under the supervision of Hiroji Ildarkar. The aim of the construction the aim of constructing the fort was contradict the rising influences of foreign colonizers. The fort is spread across 48 acres with 12 feet thick and 30 feet high walls. So this is the Sindhudurg Fort. It is the another fort of Shivaji. And the next fort is Shivneri Fort. Shivneri Fort holds great historical importance as this was the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Chhatrapati Shivaji birth in Shivneri Fort. So it is the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji, Shivneri Fort. This place is the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Rai Bhosale. He was born here in February 1630 AD and spent most of his childhood days on this fort, Shivneri Fort. Got its name. It was under the possession of the Idavas of Devgari. Shivneri Fort. This is the picture of this Shivneri Fort where Shivaji born. This fort was mainly used to guard the old trading route from Desh to the port city of Kalyan. So this is the Shivneri Fort and where the Chhatrapati Shivaji was born. And the next is Raigad Fort. The hilly fort located in Mahad was earlier as Raigad. Shivaji captured the fort in 1656 from Chandaro, renovated it and renamed it Raigad. It was later known as capital of Shivaji's kingdom. In 1680, Shivaji breathed his last in Raigad. This is the picture of this Raigad Fort. Shivaji died in this fort in 1680 AD. In 1689, Zulfikar Khan captured the fort and renamed it Islamgarh. Later, in 1880, the fort was destroyed by using cannons and was handed over the British East India Company. So this is the picture of Raigad Fort, which is the capital of Shivaji's kingdom, and he is last breathed here at 1680 AD. And this is the one of the most important fort in Shivaji's kingdom. Another go to the another fort, Panhala Fort. The Panhala Fort is the next fort. The Panhala Fort lies 20 km away from the main city of Kolhapur. This fort holds its position amongst the among us the most massive location in the country and is the largest one in the Deccan region. The old Panhala Fort was founded in the late 12th century by Raja Bhoj. It was constructed during period 1178 to 1209 AD to be later modified by the Marathas. So this is the picture of this Panhala Fort. The entire stretch of Panhala Fort is dotted with parapets, ramparts, and bastions, and styled with motifs different dynasties that ruled over the fort: the Marathas, Brahmins, Mughals, and so on. So this is the picture of Panhala Fort, and the next fort is Vijaydurg Fort. All these forts are the place of of Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji. So the next is Vijaydurg Fort. The fort was used as an anchor of Maratha warships, as it is enriched, encircled by Waghotan Creek. Vijaydurg was earlier known as Gheria and was renamed it. Shivaji captured it in 1653 from Adil Shah. So Shivaji captured it in 1653 AD from Adil Shah and renamed it Gheria. So this is the picture of this Vijaydurg Fort. The fort among the two forts, the fort is among the two forts where Shivaji personally hosted at the saffron flag, the other being the Torna Fort. And the next fort is Tornagad Fort. Trona is the first fort captured by Shivaji at the age of 16. He later renamed it the fort is Prochandgar and constructed several monuments inside it. The fort is 4603 feet above sea level. And this is the picture of this Tornagad Fort. After the assassination of Sambhaji Maratha in the 18th century, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb captured the fort and renamed it Futul Gaib. So this is the picture of Tornagad Fort. And the next fort is Lohagad Fort. The fort always remained the prime importance as the trade route of Kandala. The fort was under the Mughal Empire for 5 years. Lohagad was captured by Shivaji in 1648 AD CE. Before his and treaty Purandar made him the surrender it in 1665 CE to the Mughals. In 1670 CE, Shivaji captured the fort. Okay, Shivaji captured the fort again used to store treasury looted from Surat. So Lohagad was captured by Shivaji in 1648 century, and the treaty Purandar made it surrender in 1665 century in the Mughals. In 1670 century, Shivaji captured the fort again and used to store the treasury looted from the Surat. So this is the another fort of the Lohagad Fort is the captured by Shivaji. This is the picture of this Lohagad Fort. During that Peshwa time, Nana Fadnavis lived here for some time and constructed several structures including tank. So this is the picture of Lohagad Fort, which is acquired by Shivaji, which is captured by Shivaji in 1648 century. And next is Kolaba Fort. Shivaji Chhatrapati Shivaji built Kolaba Fort when the entire Konkan region became free from Portuguese power. The work of construction of the fort started in 19 March 1680. In 1662, he strengthened and fortified Kolaba Fort to make it one of his chief naval stations. The fort has two main entrances, one on the seaside and other towards Alibag. This is the picture of this. This is the picture of this Kolaba Fort. An interesting feature of this fort is that it has freshwater wells in its premises, even though it has seaside fort. So freshwater oil inside in this fort, and also the premises in the seaside fort. So it is the this fort is um, um, this fort is captured by the Shivaji, and this is the Kolaba Fort, and the next fort is Pratapgad Fort. Pratapgad Fort is located 15 km from Polatpur in West Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. The Maharata King Chhatrapati Shivaji commissioned Moropan Tribank Pringle, his prime minister, to undertake the construction of this fort. And this is the picture of this Pratapgarh Fort. This is the picture of this Pratapgarh Fort. Pratapgarh Fort, Shivaji and Afzal Khan was fought below the rampart of this fort on November 10, 1659. So this is the one of the fort of Shivaji, Pratapgarh Fort. And the next fort is Sinhagad Fort. Sinhagad holds an important position in the history of Maharashtra, located on the Bhuleshwar range of the Sahyadri Mountains. Fort is situated 1312 above sea level. The fort was captured by Maratha Empire against a severe battle against Mughals. This is the fort of Singhad Fort. It is the battle when Tanaji Malusar lost his wife and Shivaji Maharaj said, "Gad ala pan Singha gela." Gad ala pan Singha gela, meaning we own the fort but lost the lion. Hence the name Singhad was named. So Shivaji said, "Gad ala pan Singha gela," which means we own the fort but lost the land. This is the picture of Singhad Fort, and for this Shivaji's comment, the name of this fort was Singhad. And the next was is Kandheri Fort. These companion forts of Kandheri lie in Raigad district of Maharashtra. Kandheri Fort is situated in the Thal village. Kandheri Fort, with her sister fort Andheri, formed the major in the Maharashtra. These forts were under the control of Chhatrapati Shivaji, and later it went under the control of Siddhis. This is the picture of Kandheri Fort. In the year 1660, Kandheri Fort was built by the king of Maratha Chhatrapati Shivaji. The island of Kandheri consists of two high hills, one of the north and one of the southern side. So this is the one of the fort of Chhatrapati Shivaji, king of the Maratha. And the next fort is Rajgad Fort. This is the another fort, one of this Raigad Fort, and this is the Raigad Fort. It is hill fort situated in the Pune district, Maharashtra, India. It was formerly known as Murumdev Fort and was the capital of Maratha Empire under the rule of Shivaji for almost 26 years, after which the capital was moved to Raigad Fort. This is the fort of Rajgad Fort. This fort is divided into four parts: Padmavati Machi, Suvela Machi, and Sanjeevani Machi, and Vela Killa. Vela Killa means small fort. According to its different geographical terrains, the Padmavati temple inside the fort complex can accommodate around 50 people. So, all these forts are captured by Chhatrapati Shivaji. All these forts are under control of the king of Marathas, Chhatrapati Shivaji. So these all are the forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji: Purandar Fort, Sindhudurg Fort, Shivneri Fort, Raigad Fort, Panhala Fort, Vijaydurg Fort, Tornagad Fort, Lohagad Fort, Kolaba Fort, Pratapgad Fort, Sinhagad Fort, Kandheri Fort, Rajgad Fort. So all these is under control of Shivaji. So We That's it for today. Thank you for watching US Mix YouTube channel.